Hello everyone. Hey, just thought I'd share this video with you all. I'm just amazed of this is the tape and float guys are tape and floating the house, and these guys have a predator here. Man, this thing's really good. Everything's still running. In other words, you have it all open on this side. I don't know what's this thing. It's broken. It's still running. Look at that. It's missing, I guess that's the battery. And that thing is still working. It's not really bad. But check it out, we got another one here. You can see all his material here, his hopper. This one's pretty busted too. That thing is, it got me. This one's really work. Let me tell you. This is the cover there. Yep. So if you're thinking of buying a Predator, let me tell you, this thing's pretty amazed of how this thing is still going on after who knows what. Like I said, it's missing the cover. And then it's running. They have power up on there. You see the light right there. I've seen them before with this generators, and but I never done a video on it. But you can see still going. The Inverter 3500 generator inverter. And now that I'm back home, I get my Predator. And I've had this unit for almost going on 2 years, but yeah, I've never had any issues with it. Well, as far as turning on and working properly, we'll start it right now. But yeah, one of the things that's happened to it is that this cord, it just tore by itself. I hardly use this thing. Probably used it at the beginning 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, I don't know, but not more than 5 times. And I guess what their engineering design is that part right there. It cuts the cord with the vibration of the unit when it's on. That and this thing, I don't know how many times I pulled it out, the filter. So it's in there, probably all the kind of debris are in there with it. But the good thing is I did clean the that part right there, and did an oil change this past weekend. Those are the 2 issues that I have with it. Now the other thing is that I always buy the warranty. So this one was purchased on I don't know, can't see where it's at, but no, it's going on 2 years. So there's the 2-year replacement plan. That's how much I paid for this unit. And I know it's on July the 28th, I believe that's when this 2-year warranty expires. because I purchased it on July the 28th of 2023. But yeah, so I'm gonna, because of that cord and because of that filter which falls in there, this gas filter screen thingy, I have to take it back, even though it's been running awesome. I mean, I'll start it right now. I haven't started this unit, but I was just with that unit, that tape and float guy. Wow, I was always turned on with the battery. Always starts. This one's got, I'll show you right now, 1,058 hours running on. Now, the one thing that I want to tell you all that do with these units and with every generator, add that just a little cap of seafoam. I'll get the bottle right now. There you go. This bottle here. I mean, I always had a. Wait a minute. I think okay. That's on the eco mode is off. Let me turn it on. How quiet that thing is. That's why a lot of people like the Predator, because of its how quiet these units are, and they're good units. I mean, now that tape and float guy's unit, I mean, wow, you'll be surprised. Always add a little cup of these seafoam to your gas when you're putting gas, just a little bit of it, and it'll last you forever. And these units, like I said, just the cord, which by itself, thorn is that metal right there, vibration, and the little filter. This one is just fairly, I've taken care of it, except for those two things, which is I believe just poorly or thought of built. I've had another one before it, same thing happened. You know what, it got me thinking of that Predator that the tape and float guy had. It had no battery, it had no cord. I gotta go back to the video, but I believe it had no battery, it had no cord. Somehow this guy's figured ways of how to turn it on. But anyway, just wanted to share with you all. These are good units. I mean, can't beat them. They work awesome. But I noticed that just adding a little bit of that, maybe time you got your fuel, changing your oil on time. This one I did add 1030 fuel synthetic. That's what I've been using. I use it here at the homestead for different things, getting out water. You see all the mesquite in South Texas. It's mesquite season. Brutal mesquite. The sheep and the cows, they love this thing. It's a treat. Let's see if I can find some of them. There's some green ones right there. Most of them have fallen already. It's the first season, and then it's got a second season. Let me just show you right here. There they are. Right there. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Just thought I'd share this video with you all. If this helps anybody, you saw how much that beating that tape and float guys Predator 3500 inverter was still running. Alright, thanks all. Take care.